Dear students, this video is for class 8 students of scholarship under intelligence test, continuing with a new set of questions. Dear students, as far as intelligence is concerned, the only way to score mark in intelligence test is practicing, because it is after all testing your intelligence, which is something there within you, आपके अंदर है intelligence, and by facing questions and solving questions you will sharpen it, you will make it polished, and you will become quick in response. Thereby you will be exposing your intelligence and getting mark. So there is nothing to learn but to do. So let us start with doing. This will come in section 2 of paper 2 intelligence test. Some sample questions are taken for you. Here the question is, certain alphabets are given, I, R, G, E, M, I, N, A, T, and O. From the given letters, form a meaningful word. That is the first thing you have to do. You have to make a meaningful word from these letters. Then find out the second letter to the right of the middle letter. That we will do later. Second letter to the right of the middle letter. All these terms are very important. The alphabets given are I, R, G, E, M, N, A, T, N, and O. You are asked to find out possible meaningful word by using these alphabets. Your time starts now. What word I got or you got must be same. The word possible is, germination is the word possible. Now the matter is simple. You can get the answer quickly. The second part of the question is second letter to the right of the middle letter. The total number of letters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means sixth letter will be the middle letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is the middle letter, and right of the middle letter is asked over here. Letter to the right of the middle letter, that is 1, 2. So T is the answer. This much is the work and application of intelligence to solve the sum. Let us go ahead. Attempt another one. Find the odd term, very common. Sometimes your science knowledge, sometimes your knowledge of history, sometimes your knowledge of nature, something, anything can ask in this. Here the question is Rome, Berlin, Hamburg, and Munich. This comes under geography or history, something related with the study of places in the world. Among these, Berlin, Hamburg, Munich are in Italy. Rome is in Germany. I just gave you the answer directly because there is no need of what we say much thinking if you know the answer, otherwise it's a tough question. Okay, we'll go ahead. Again, find the odd man out. Here I will be giving you time to think about. The odd man is fourth one according to me. How did I got it? Or how did I think about it? How did I get it, or how did I think about it? See, I was just observing the outer circle. First I couldn't get any clue. Then I searched for inner figures and I found that here is a figure which is mismatching. I'll make it red over here. This one. this figure is different from others. I did not think much. This must be the odd man. एक reason मिल गया आंसर लिख के रखने का, because there is no time in exam. Here is identify the role underlying sequence and determine the number in the place of the question marks. Select two correct alternatives. Sometimes the question will be to select two alternatives. Two answers are there. एक नहीं. Here is a triangle. I will make it again for you because it is not that clear. 4. Here is 10. Here is 8. Here is 2. And this one is having a figure in such a way that here you are having 13, 9, 4 and 6 here. The third one is having, it is almost clear to you. Fir bhi 4, 2, 2. The last one is having a question mark which we have to find out, and having 10 here, 9, 1. I'm giving you time to think. I could think in many ways, and you also might have got it in many ways, and two answers are there. All these are a little bit of complicated type of question. Listen here, you can see that 8 plus 2, this 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 in the middle, and I'm taking the first one, first case. A lot of relationship you can see here. One relationship is this 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. The same way 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. ये सब में maintain किया है. Here it is 4, here it is 6, here it is 2, here it is a question mark. Now one way of thinking it about the answer, what I could get is, I could see that the answer can be like this. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8, and this one is again this one is again a 2. If you take the root of this, because the root idea I got from here may not be applicable here, and you will get the root is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, which is written here. Same idea applicable here, same idea applicable here. In that case, here you will be writing 3 into 3 into, this is 1 into 1 or 1 only. If you take the root of it, it is 3 into 1, and your answer must be 3 here, and it is given here. And there is two alternatives are there. Means what is the difference between root 9 and 3? Both are same. ऐसे भी आपको इंटेलिजेंस चलना है. root 9 is having a meaning 3. This is also 3. This is also 3. तो two alternatives हो गया. Go ahead. Here is how many triangles are there in the given figure. I'm giving you time. You may pause for a long time and to get the answer, because I cannot pause the video for a long time, and one answer is missing here, fourth one, which is equal to 13, and which is the answer. I will tell you how to approach this kind of, my approach I would say. I will always count the independent simple triangles. That means there is no partition, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. इसका peculiarity क्या है? वो ट्राइंगल के अंदर दूसरा ट्राइंगल है ही नहीं. देन ट्राइंगल्स के अंदर दूसरा पार्टीशन वाला ट्राइंगल है. फॉर एग्जांपल ये दोनों मिलके इधर एक ट्राइंगल है. सो आई विल राइट दिस एज 8, राइट, ये दोनों मिलके. इधर भी है, ये दोनों मिलके. I will write it as 9, correct? So that way it is. Then I am having this में partition वाला. Now I have bigger one than that. Now this 8, now this 3, 4 and 7. 3, 4 and 7 मिलके. 3, 4 and 7, 2 partition. वो 3, 4, 7 मिलके एक triangle बनते हैं, जिसको हम 10 number दे देंगे. 3, 4, 7, 3 partitions are there. Now this 1, 5 and 6 मिलके एक triangle बोलते हैं, उसको 11 number दे देंगे. Correct? Understood? So the 11 are there. Then we are having 4 and 7 मिलके. There is a triangle which we will give 12 number. Understood? 1, 5, 6 का हो गया. 6 and 7 मिलके इधर 6 and 7 इधर मार्क किया. And is there any more? We reach to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and now we are having very big one, 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3. This particular line is quite long. Milke 13th triangle. So the answer is 13th. Individual simple triangle. Triangle with 1 partition, then 2 partition, then 3 partition. Accordingly, you have to get the answer. Let us go ahead. Here is figures, and you are asked to get the figure here. And here you see there are 4 dots. What did they indicate? There is a relationship between these two. इन दोनों के बीच में जो है वो इन दोनों के बीच में होना मानता है. I am giving you time to think. Okay. If you have not got the answer, you can pause the video for a long time and then come back. Here, the first figure, a circle and a square and a butterfly-like figure inside. The figure is same inside. Figure में कुछ change नहीं है. Only position changed, but the circle disappeared. Both became squares. So here both became square. Then the answer must be in such a way that a circle and a square. So all these are circle and a square. So उसमें कुछ problem नहीं है. Then we should have the same but in a different way, because this turned to the left. So this will have to be turned. The next to the left. So turning to the left. This can be rejected because the number of zeros on this is incorrect. Understood? And this is not turned, because of that we can be rejected. This is the answer because it has turned and it is correct. And here you see the difference between these two. Did you observe? Difference in is that the proboscis, the antennae, is kept wrong place over here. This is at wrong place. It should be here. और फिगर देखे तो मालूम पड़ेगा. there is a projection here. Here it is plain. Projection वाले जगह पे एंटीना रखा है. Projection वाले tail है. This is the tail. This is the tail projection. Here is the tail projection. तो एंटीना इधर. This is the right answer. फिगर बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ता है. Here comes next question. A leap year starts on Sunday. On which day Santosh will resume his duty if he has taken 18 days leave from 15th May? Two things are there. It is given that it is leap year. Leap year means a year which is having February 29 days. This is known to you. And Santosh, the hero here, is going on leave from 15th May for 18 days, and for 15th May for 18 days. May month is having 31 days, right? May month is having 31 days. In that case, 31 minus 15 is equal to 16 days. As he is on leave on 15 days plus 1, 17 days he will be on leave on May, in the month of May. June 1st he will be having 18 days completed. That means June 2nd he will be resuming his work. Understood? In that case, we are asked to find out which day June 2nd comes, which Santosh will resume his duty. Let us start thinking about it, and I will give you a small little time to think about, then I will start. You can pause the video for a long time and get the answer and come back. I will continue. So you can pause here if you don't want to get the answer ready-made. Okay, I'm going to give the clue about how to solve it. Afterwards also you can pause it after getting the clue also. Up to you now. Now the most important thing over here is it is given leap years and it is Sunday is the first day. That means January 1st is Sunday. Whenever 1st is Sunday or any day, then 8th will be Sunday, 15th will be Sunday, 22nd will be Sunday, 29th will be Sunday. Remember that. And if it is a month of 31 days, 31 will be again 2 days ahead, that is Monday, Tuesday. The first of next month will be always Wednesday. In this case, February 1st is Wednesday. And February is having 29 days, 29 again will be Wednesday. That means 1st March will be Thursday. If 1st March is Thursday, 31st March will be थर्सडे के बाद इधर जब संडे हुआ तो वेडनेसडे हुआ, मंडे ट्यूसडे के बाद तो थर्सडे तो फ्राइडे सैटरडे. 31st March will be Saturday. If 31st March is Saturday, 1st April will be Sunday. If 1st April is Sunday, like this, 29th April will be Sunday. If 29th April will be Sunday, that means then 1st May will be, only 30 days are there in April, so instead of Wednesday it will be again Tuesday. 1st May will be Tuesday here, correct? Right. If 1st May is Tuesday, 31st May will be Tuesday, Wednesday to Thursday. Correct? 31st May will be Thursday. Tuesday के जगह पे Wednesday, Thursday. Then 1st June will be Friday. And इनको जाना है 2nd June को. किसको? संतोष को. वो Saturday ड्यूटी पे जाएंगे. पॉज करके पूरा समझ लीजिए. इसके लिए नहीं, ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन गारंटी है क्वेश्चन पेपर में. गो अहेड. Here is a question from kabaddi players, kho-kho players, cricket players are shown in the form of Venn diagram. Triangle is of kabaddi players, circle is of kho-kho players, and rectangle is of cricket players. How many players play only 2 games? 2 गेम खेलने वाला कौन सा नहीं, कौन सा भी 2 गेम. Only 2 games वाला कौन सा है? That is one question. Think. can pause for a long time if you want, but I am starting giving the clue and answers. You can pause again if you want more time. Okay, the clue is find out where two figures are merging or two figures are having union. In this case, two games, any two games. So we will look at the diagram. We can see that this 11, 2 are alone, 7 is alone, 3 is alone, 8 is alone. The पूरा आंसर इसके अंदर छुपा है. 14 if you take, 14 is there in the rectangle as well as in circle, not in triangle. So we'll write that 14. 3 is only in triangle. When you think about 9, 9 is there in rectangle, circle and triangle. हम नहीं लेंगे. But so 14 ले लिया, 7 नहीं ले सकते, 11 नहीं ले सकते, 2 नहीं ले सकते, 3 नहीं ले सकते, 8 नहीं ले सकते, 9 नहीं ले सकते, because 9 तीनों में है. करेक्ट. सो ऐसा हमको सॉर्ट आउट करना है. 4 ले सकते, यस, इट इज देयर इन द रेक्टेंगल एज वेल एज इन ट्रायंगल, तो हम 4 लिखेंगे. कौन सा गेम पूछा? 3 कैन बी टेकन बिकॉज इट इज देयर इन सर्कल एंड ट्रायंगल. बस हमारा पूरा कोटा खत्म हो गया. सो वी आर हैविंग आंसर 21. दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट थिंग्स. गोइंग अहेड, हाउ मेनी खो-खो प्लेयर्स कैन नॉट प्ले कबड्डी? उसका आंसर मैं नहीं देना चाहता हूँ. हाउ मेनी खो-खो प्लेयर्स, तो आपको सर्कल में खो-खो प्लेयर्स से मालूम है. लेट मी रिमूव दैट मार्किंग्स. आई विल गिव यू टाइम आल्सो. Okay, you can pause as you like. How many खो-खो players? तभी तुम्हारा दिमाग किधर जाना है? सर्कल वाले सब खो-खो players. Cannot play कबड्डी. सर्कल में है लेकिन cannot play कबड्डी. ट्रायंगल में नहीं है. That is a question. सर्कल में है, ट्रायंगल में नहीं. सर्कल अकेला देखेगा तो 9, 14, 3, 11, 2. This is circle, right? 9, 14, 3, 11, 2 circle. These are our खो-खो players. Cannot play kabaddi means they are not in the triangle. Who are they? Very simple. 2 is not there in triangle. 11 is not there in triangle because they cannot play. Even 14 is not there in triangle. उनको cricket play कर सकते, कबड्डी नहीं. So we have to add 14 plus 11 plus 2 according to me. That means 14 plus 11 is equal to 25 plus 2, 27. Cannot play kabaddi but can play kho-kho. So both the answer diagram के हिसाब से आपको करना है. These all are various methods of checking your intelligence, and through practice you will expose your intelligence. I would say आप आपका intelligence दूसरों को दिखाएंगे. Okay, that's what. So thank you, dear students. So, now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.